Good afternoon, Wildcats. I'm going to show you real quick how to participate interactively, if you would like, through Google Slides with Book Tac Toe or Book Bingo on our Wildcat Library Google Classroom. We'll start with Book Bingo. Click this open. From your point of view, it's going to ask you to make a copy, so we'll do that as well. I would encourage you to title it with your name, whether you're a student or staff. Your name there. That way, when you share it with me eventually, when you complete your bingo or your Book Tac Toe, you'll be able to earn your prize. From here, it's important that you have the select tool selected, not a text box, not any of these other ones. So make sure the arrow is selected. I'm going to enlarge my view just a little bit. From here, you're going to fill in the boxes that fit the description of the books that you just completed. For example, I just finished a book last night called Dear Edward, and it's told from multiple points of view. It's about a plane crash where there were 192 passengers and only one survived. So the book is told from the different passengers' point of view that were on the plane. So I would put this here. And maybe somebody recommended the book. You can click, and most of these text boxes are towards the bottom of each of the bingo squares. I am going to start, hopefully, here in the next couple days, a book from an author from our very own state. Her name is Amy Mateo, and she's actually an author from right here in Northwest Arkansas. And I'm 2 books behind on her latest book, so I'm hoping to get caught up there. And when I do, I can just click here and I can type in the title of those books and I'll have completed that square. Maybe I want to read a sequel. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to be the second book per se in a series. It could be any of the books after the first one in a series. Maybe you want to read a book that's just standalone, which the book I just read could have easily fit that description as well. It doesn't have a sequel, and so on. So there's lots of different options for you to complete a bingo. Real quick, we'll go, and it's the same thing for Book Tac Toe. You just click that open. It's going to prompt you to make a copy, file, make a copy. I'm going to save it as my name. Going to open it, and again, it's going to prompt you to make a copy. We've done that. I'm going to make sure that the select tool, the arrow is selected. I am going to make it a little larger again so I can see it. As I finish books, if I wanted to start as a tic-tac-toe, I could, and then build up to bingo. From here, oops, got to get back to the select tool. Notice that was the problem there. Oops, select tool. And here I can click, and the text boxes are already there for you. You just make sure that arrow is selected, and you can type in, and now I've got it so large that I can't see, so let's back up a little bit. Back her on up. Make sure the arrow key is selected, but then I should be able to type. If I read a book from the point of view of a female protagonist, a historical fiction, part of a series, an award-winning book, and I should be able to type those in. Again, happy reading to you. I hope you get some book tac-toes and some book bingos. You can share those completed forms with me at atef@sdel.org. If you have any questions, you can also shoot me an email to that same email address. Happy reading and have a good day.